Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It is Sunday, and it is time for a shave. I've got 2 days worth of growth. Today's shave soap is by HC&C, and this is Southern Comfort. I know you guys have seen this scent on the channel before, but this is a very pleasant tobacco and bourbon scent. Very sweet, classic. I love it. I do have the matching aftershave splash. The label's a little bit different, but we know the goodness is inside. Today's razor is going to be the Occams Nano, and I have that loaded up with a Feather Super Pro or Pro Super, I forget now. And I have the lather already whipped up in my HC&C stainless steel bowl. Let's take a little look at the lather. Oh yeah. And my beautiful brush that I made a couple weeks ago. Let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 1. Probably be wearing a little bit of soap. I got it on the right there on that bloopy side that I enjoy. Just listen to the beautiful sound of lather. Takes me to a happy place. Oh man. What is going on today? I have no clue. Just gonna enjoy the nice, beautiful spring weather. Cool at night. A little warm at the daytime, but still kind of cool. All right, got the blade already loaded in the razor. It's probably going to be a quick shave because this particular razor always makes quick work of it. You ever see any of Don's videos on Wet the Face? He uses this razor and a couple of the other classic shaving razors. I feel like I got a hair or something I was seeing in the corner of my eye. Anyway, man, he just goes to town with this razor. To me, it seems a little bit too, but when he's doing it, but if that's the way he likes it. I like a little bit more slower and methodical shave. Well, how was your week? Anything new in the shave den of yours? Let me know in the comments below. This thing just, it cleans out, rinses out so nicely, and the lather is just sitting there in the top of the bowl. With all the stubble just sitting there as it plowed it off. Amazing. I know I've probably said it a million times before. I would love to get that. Occams did a razor. Was it the Hiram Commander? I forget now what it was. But the handle had that cool snake skin pattern or snake scale pattern on it. And it was kind of curved, and on the end of the handle, I call it the G.I. Joe logo. Do you remember? You remember that like a Cobra logo they had on there. It kind of had that, and I don't know why. I just think it was cool. You know, the handle was kind of, if you look at it this way, it was kind of curved, and it had like the finger points in it, but it used the same plate system as this particular razor. So I know it probably, it probably shaves the same. And I think it was a very limited run. There was other razors that came out that was similar. It had, instead of the scale pattern on the curved handle, it had more of just kind of lines going across it. And the blade tray, or the cap, actually had like a little lever, and it would fold out. And that's not the one I'm looking for. I can find those all the time. I wanted the other one. If I can find a picture of it, I'll put it right here. Now, if you find one of these, don't buy it. let me buy it. No, I'm just teasing. If you find it, go ahead and pick it up. I know I had posted on some of the groups multiple times, like, somebody has to have one of these. Please let it go. And it usually sparks everybody's interest. Like, that's a cool razor. Where can I get it? And I'm like, no, it was for me to get, not you. And I've wrote Santa several times and said, please, Santa, bring me that razor. Give it to me. I need it. I deserve it. But I don't know. I must be on Santa's naughty list, because I know those elves can make more. This razor has such a great purchase on it. Just a few swipes and you can be done quickly with your shave. If your face is too curvy, it will miss some spots, but whew, did a great job for me. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. To me, this scent has to be one of Pete's best scents, or at least for me. Seems like a little bit different scent for some reason. It says right on there, Southern Comfort. Usually I use the scent oil and like 3 drops with some unscented aftershave, but not today. I decided to use the HC&C Splash. Ooh, here comes Adobe. Come. She knows I'm shaving. All right, well, that's the shave of the day. I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.